Ever wondered why some people can eat all they want and never gain weight while others struggle to keep off the pounds? Well, we're about to embark on a fascinating journey to unravel the mystery of genetics. Genetics, simply put, is the study of genes. Those tiny yet powerful entities that reside in every cell of our bodies. These genes, like meticulous architects, are responsible for laying out the blueprint of our physical characteristics, dictating everything from the color of our eyes to the shape of our bodies. In the grand scheme of things, genes are like the diligent puppet masters, pulling the strings behind the scenes. They decide if you'll tower over your peers or blend into the crowd, have piercing blue eyes or warm brown ones. And yes, they even have a say in how your body processes that double cheeseburger you love so much. So, it turns out our genes might just have a bigger say in our health and lifestyle choices than we initially thought. Did you know that our genes can affect our risk for certain health conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and cancer? Our genes, that microscopic double helix bundle of DNA, can indeed play a significant role in determining our health outcomes. Let's delve deeper into this fascinating world of genetics and health. Each one of us inherits a unique set of genes from our parents. These genes act like a blueprint, guiding our growth, development, and functioning. However, sometimes, certain variations in these genes can increase our susceptibility to specific diseases. This is what we call a genetic predisposition. So, how does this genetic predisposition work? Imagine your body as a complex machine and your genes as the instruction manual. Now, if there's a typo or a misprint in this manual, it can cause the machine to malfunction. Similarly, certain changes in our genes can disrupt the normal functioning of our cells, making us more prone to diseases. For instance, if you have certain genetic variations, you might be at a higher risk for conditions like heart disease, diabetes, or certain types of cancer. Now you might be wondering, how do I know if I have this genetic predisposition? This is where genetic testing comes into play. Genetic tests analyze your DNA to identify any changes or mutations that might increase your risk for specific diseases. These tests can provide valuable insights into your health and help you make informed decisions about your lifestyle and medical care. But here's the crucial point to remember. Just because you have a genetic predisposition for a disease doesn't mean you'll definitely get it. Our genes are not our destiny. They merely shape our health landscape. Our lifestyle choices, such as what we eat, how much we exercise, whether we smoke or drink, all these play a vital role in determining our health outcomes. So, while genetics can provide us with a health forecast, it's our daily choices that can change the weather. But remember, just because you have a genetic predisposition for a disease doesn't mean you'll definitely get it. Lifestyle choices matter too. So if our genes can influence our health, does that mean our lifestyle choices don't matter? Not so fast. While genetics play a sizable role in our health, our lifestyle choices are just as significant, if not more so. Let's consider diet, for instance. We know that genes can predispose us to conditions like obesity and diabetes. However, maintaining a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can help keep these conditions at bay, regardless of our genetic makeup. Physical activity, too, is a key component. Regular exercise can combat the ill effects of certain genetic predispositions, such as heart disease. It's like a daily dose of preventive medicine. And let's not forget about smoking. Regardless of whether your genes make you more susceptible to lung disease, smoking can significantly increase your risk. In short, our lifestyle choices can either fan the flames of genetic predisposition or help keep them under control. So while our genes may load the gun, it's our lifestyle choices that pull the trigger. So how exactly do genetics and lifestyle choices interact to influence our health? Picture this, you've got a set of genes, like a deck of cards dealt to you at birth. But the way you play that hand is largely up to you. You see, our lifestyle choices can actually activate or suppress certain genes. This concept is known as epigenetics. For instance, a healthy diet and regular exercise can help switch on genes that promote health and longevity. On the other hand, poor dietary habits and a sedentary lifestyle can activate genes that predispose us to diseases like diabetes and heart disease. Think of it like a light switch. Our genes are the hardware, but our lifestyle choices can flip the switch on or off, for better or worse. It's a delicate dance, a complex interplay, if you will, between our genetic makeup and our daily choices. In the end, it's not just about our genes or our lifestyle choices, but the complex interplay between the two. Does this mean we're just at the mercy of our genes? Not at all. While our genes may set the stage, it's our choices that ultimately determine the performance. Every day we have the power to make decisions that can positively impact our health, regardless of our genetic predispositions. Healthy eating, regular exercise, adequate sleep, these are choices within our control. They shape our health narrative. So while we can't change our genes, we can modify our lifestyle choices to live healthier, happier lives.